Hi guys, today is the fourth day of my simulator trading account. Today was a red day, so it was minus $217. I think I wasn't really in the mood of trading today because I had an appointment really early. Today, it was something like 45 minutes after the market opened, so I wasn't really focused or I didn't have my energy into trading. So if I was in the live account, this is something I should avoid trading in these type of days. So, okay, today I took 37 tickets. I'm gonna organize this time frame so I can go one by one on my trades today. Today, the first trade was MTSL. This was on Andrew's scanner. So, okay, I started the day with MTSL. Let's say what was the first move I did. All right. So the first move I did was to buy at this point 270A. All right, I bought at that price. So actually, I was hoping to make, let's say here in the first minute. All right, so I was actually going long here. Let's see what other levels do I have here in the first, in the 1 day chart. Okay, so well, maybe my thought process was, okay, this is right here in the some level in the pre-market. There was some level around this area. So I say, okay, this is holding it, and this candlestick shows some price rejection. So I was going to long it here. Maybe this wasn't the best setup, I have to say. I should actually short it once it approaches the VWAP. The best entry should have been here to short it and not long it, but actually I don't know why I long it there. But anyways, I long it and I have to exit, and I have to sell it here for a loss of $10. Then again I long it here again. I don't know why I was on the mood of longing it. Well, maybe I saw the other level here in the pre-market. I saw, okay, this is a good support here, and I saw this candlestick showing this rejection wick. So I long it here, and then I saw the price was kind of weak, so I have to sell it here for a profit of $20. Then I jump into IQ. Let's see IQ. The first trade was on the long side at 35.7, 35.7 right here. I long it here, and I sold half my position here. Then I bought some on this pullback because I was seeing that this price action was this exponential moving average was acting as a support. So once I saw the price coming here, I bought more right here, bought 100 shares, and then I sold it right here. So this was actually, I sold it here and here. This was actually a good trade in the long side because I was watching this price action. It was kind of a little bit choppy right here, but I saw this moving average acting as support. So for me, it worked out. Then I went again to MTSL at 231 at 945. 945. All right, I took a long here because then again this is another level. This right here was okay. I was seeing this acting. I took it as a VWAP reversal because I saw this, there was no new 5-minute lower loss. So I took a long here, but then immediately it bounced here, had to sell it. Then I tried to make a long again. Then it bounced. I have to sold here and here for a loss. And 947. Okay. Then I decided to take IQ. I think I took 2 trades at the same time, so this was not a good idea. 947, let's say 947. Yes, I tried to long it here again, but it dropped even more, so I have to sold it here for a loss. And finally I made, I think this was the last long. I really wanted to long this. So it came here to this, I think this was yesterday's high level. So I thought this was going to be a good support. So I long it here, 200 shares. And I sold some of it here for profit and some of it, yeah, I sold some of it here for profit. Then I think I made one last trade. This was actually on the short side, which then again I don't know why I showed it there, because this support wasn't break. It actually made new higher lows in the first minute and in the 5-minute as well. So I should have actually long it here, but well, yeah, this day was a little bit messy. I really didn't know what I was doing, so I took many other trades. But the last one I want to talk about was MU. This was actually going to be a good short, but I waited too much. I want to talk about this short right here. So the price action was like it was making higher highs, but then here the price started to go down, and once this candle arrived to this level, to this lower low, I went short, and there was a pullback, and this was a good play because I added more on this pullback, and then the price went all the way down to this. I think this was the 200 moving average in the first 1 minute chart. I should have taken profit here, but I did not. So I let the price went against me. When the price came here, I actually saw on the level 2 there was huge bids on this level, so it was acting as a really big support. The bids were not getting reduced, so this level wasn't going to get cracked. So I should actually have exited my position right at this time for a profit of around $100. So maybe my total loss would have been half of what it was today. But well, the price went up, and then I cover my shorts really high for a loss. So yeah, this was my trades today. I really shouldn't have not traded. Even if I'm feeling bad doing on the simulator, I'm not gonna trade. Or if I have my head thinking about other things, I'm not gonna trade. I also think I have to work more on the opening range breakups and breakdowns. Actually, I have learned that in these opening range breakups and breakdowns, it's really important to have a very tight stop loss, because sometimes the price can squeeze really quick. So I have to act really fast, and I also have to learn that if I'm trying to long something for 1 or 2 times and it's not happening, the most obvious thing is to make the opposite trade, because if the price keep going down, I should start to short it. But once I see a really important level of support or resistance, And if I see the level 2 and the price action getting stuck right there, that's gonna be a good point to exit my trades or to enter the opposite trade. This is something I'm starting to see, so this is a good learning for me. So yeah, I hope tomorrow it's a better day. Bye bye.